A lot of US hedge funds have been loading up on these blank check acquisition companies in the last couple of months. What do you make of this SPAC frenzy?
It's important to understand as a structure how it works, and then it's what's put into the structure. Generally, what's put into the structure, it's not as well regulated because there are more liberal rules as to what the SPAC can buy relative to what an IPO is. So, and a lot of the companies are, let's call them new idea companies that haven't reached the same level of due diligence and disclosures and everything that's required in terms of the IPO market. What I'm saying is that as a investment vehicle, it's more prone to a bubble mentality, and it's prone not because of the absolute structure of the thing, but because of what it allows and how it is operating within that. So I think it's it's more probably something to be careful about. If individuals are looking at SPACs, they really have to be careful because they're not the same level of protections. And right now we're in a buy the pizzazz kind of environment, right?
It's fashionable.
Fashion right now, there's a lot of liquidity running out because of the monetary policy. And what's fashionable is what's hot. That's a bubble environment. So we're sort of in that section of that bubble environment.
So could SPACs attract more scrutiny from regulators, you think?
I think regulators are going to increasingly require higher levels of disclosure and some controls. And I think these things go through a cycle. Then people have losses, they get upset, the public has been hurt, they don't have that, and so on, and then you see more regulation. It's a natural course of things.